हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू मॉम्स हेवन। अगर आपके फ्रेंड्स या फैमिली में कोई न्यू बॉर्न बेबी है एंड यू आर रनिंग आउट ऑफ आइडियाज़ कि क्या गिफ्ट दिया जाए, तो आज का वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल हो सकता है। बिकॉज इन टुडेज वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू डू द अनबॉक्सिंग एंड आई विल रिव्यू द बेबी Nazaria. I ordered it from the Caratlane and I recently received my order. So let's start unboxing. Caratlane की वेबसाइट या फिर ऐप पर जाकर के आप किड्स ज्वेलरी के सेक्शन में बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस देख सकते हैं। अगर आपको गिफ्ट करना है, you will be able to find studs, earrings, chains, personalized bracelets, etc. over there. Okay. Packaging is really nice. You can see it's a metallic box. Okay. If you have any problem before ordering or before receiving the product, the customer care service of Caratlane is also really nice. So here's the box. You can tag Caratlane on Instagram and post your story. Here is the card. It mentions that it gives us 15-day money back, lifetime exchange, old gold exchange, as well as the exclusive points. That's cool. And here is a receipt. So the Om Baby Nazaria gold bracelet set of 2, its total cost was 11,673. And here is the closer look of the baby Nazaria. I'll take it out and show. It looks too beautiful, too beautiful. I hope it's visible. Here is the close look of the baby Nazaria, friends. It's so beautiful. You can see the design and the look is flawless. And one good thing about the Nazaria is this jumping hook is also provided. If you want to decrease the length, you can use this. Otherwise, the overall length of the Nazaria is 5 inches. If you wish to buy this, I'll provide the link in the description box. Do check it out and do let me know, did you like the video or not. Thanks for watching.